What in your waist? Celine. What in your waist?
Pepper spray.
You bring pepper spray for me?
Babe, you see where I live. I don't drive, and sometimes I come in late. Plus, you haven't gotten a firearm from me yet, a licensed one.
Well, at this rate, I wonder if Michelle you even get you one because you might kill somebody. I mean, you're coming downstairs to me. Why you think you need pepper spray? I can protect you.
It's a force of habit, babe. Every time I come out of the house, I take it with me.
Oh, let me see it.
If you see it, I have to use it on you.
Excuse me? I can't take a pepper spray in the night, yeah. So, hold on, where you learn to move now where you nearly broke my hand?
Cobra Kai.
Cobra what?
Cobra Kai. It's a series.
Up here TV you watch? You want a movie junkie or something?
Well, now that I do have a job, I have to pass the time somehow and also learn a lot of things from them.
I get the learning part, but you know, there are other ways to pass the time.
Babe, we're out in the public.
Okay, and you don't like public display of affection?
Well, yeah, sometimes, but you know.
Alright, ma'am. I heard from the specialist abroad. So, I'll be taking my brother away Monday.
Monday?
Yeah. I have to book the earliest flight I can get because I really need to go see a specialist.
Monday, babes? So soon? He basically just come back?
Oh, you're gonna miss me.
Well, you were gone for a whole month.
But this is just a couple of days, and it's for a very good reason. My brother need help.
Well, to be exact, you left for a month and a week the last time. So this couple of days might very well turn into 2 weeks.
But you're so exact. You count all the days. How many hours be they gone? Tell me.
Waleed.
No, but seriously though, I have to be there for him. I'm alone him have right now, so I'll go, make sure I'm alright, and I'll come right back. Remember the project to start anyway.
Alright, I understand. But as soon as he's tucked in, you better make your way back here. Because you have somebody that's waiting for you.
I like the sound of that.
Well, I'm gonna go inside to get a nightcap.
You want company?
I'll save it until you get back. Maybe that will allow you to speed up the process.
Oh, babe. It looks like you don't really want me to go. You're leaving a trail of breadcrumbs.
Thank you. Maybe I don't.
When I get back, we have a double date to go on.
Double date? With who?
Our new investor and his love interest.
Oh, Tony.
Yes.
Interesting. Just know, I'm a very good judge of characters.
Okay. Well, enjoy your nightcap.